Hi, I'm Patrick Reagan. Welcome to Physical Installation series of videos where we start with Part 1, Introduction to Servers. During this video, we focus on the differences between a server compared to a personal computer. We will then discuss the types of servers. As always, stick around for the practice question at the end to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the Network Plus exam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. If you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Hatcher Back channel for more tech training content and technical know-how. A computer on the network can provide services or request services. A server provides services and access to network resources. A client is a computer that requests services. A client-server network is a network that is made of servers and clients, which is typically used on a medium or large network. A server-based network is the best network for sharing resources and data while providing centralized network security for those resources and data. A server can request services from clients and other servers, and a client can provide services to servers and other clients. For example, you can connect a printer to your computer running Windows 11, and you can have a server print to it. The Windows 11 computer is acting as a print server, and a server is acting like a print client. A dedicated server is optimized to provide services. In IT, a server is a specialized computer or software system designed to provide services, data, or resources to other computers known as clients over a network. Servers are distinct from personal computers in their purpose and capabilities. While personal computers are optimized for individual use and have a user-friendly interface, servers are built for performance, reliability, and scalability to handle multiple requests from numerous clients simultaneously. Some of the core functions servers can perform include data storage and retrieval. Servers provide a centralized location for storing and retrieving information, making it accessible to authorized users for various locations. Website hosting. When you browse the internet, the web pages you access are typically hosted on web servers. These servers store the website files and deliver them to your web browser when you request a page. Email services. Email servers manage the flow of electronic messages. They receive, store, and distribute emails to their intended recipients. Application hosting. Many applications and software servers are hosted on servers rather than running on individual devices. These servers provide necessary computing power and resources to run applications like online games, productivity suites, and collaborative tools. File sharing. File servers are dedicated to file storage within a network. In print sharing, where print servers are dedicated to shared printers that are connected to the network directly or indirectly. A server room is a dedicated space within a building or facility designed to house computer servers and related equipment. It usually provides a controlled environment to ensure the optimum functioning and security of the servers. To ensure that servers operate efficiently, securely, and reliably, a server room includes climate control, maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels to prevent overheating and ensure the longevity of the equipment, provide stable power, reliable and redundant power sources including uninterruptible power supplies or UPS, and backup generators to prevent downtime. Security. Physical network security measures to protect the servers from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Network connectivity. High-speed network connections and proper cable management to ensure efficient data transfer and communications. Fire suppression. Systems to detect and extinguish fires without damaging the equipment. Access control. Restricted access to authorized personnel only, often with biometrics or card-based entry systems. And monitoring. Systems continuously monitor the performance and health of the servers and infrastructure. A data center is a facility used to house computer systems and associated components such as telecommunications and storage systems. It is a larger, more complex than a server room, offering robust infrastructure to support large-scale operations and data storage needs. Data centers are much larger in scale, often occupying entire buildings or multiple floors within a building designed to house thousands of servers and extensive networking equipment. Key features of data centers include redundant power supplies, backup generators, and uninterruptible power supplies to ensure continuous operations. Advanced climate control systems to manage heat and maintain optimum operating temperatures for equipment. Systems designed to detect and suppress fires without damaging sensitive equipment. Physical security, including biometric access controls, security personnel, surveillance cameras, and secure parameters to protect against unauthorized access and physical threats. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other measures to protect against cyber threats and data breaches. High-speed, reliable internet connections and networking infrastructure to ensure seamless data transfers and communication. Provide scalability, which gives the ability to scale up and down based on the needs of the organization, accommodating additional servers, storage, and network capacity as required. Multiple layers of redundancy for power, networking, and data storage to prevent downtime and ensure continuous operations. Provides disaster recovery by including systems and protocols in place to recover data and resume operations quickly in the event of a disaster or major failure. And continuous monitoring of all systems and infrastructure to detect and address issues proactively, often supported by advanced management software. A server room is suitable for small to medium-sized businesses or specific departments within larger organizations that require dedicated space for servers and related equipment. Data centers are used by large enterprises, cloud service providers, and data-intensive organizations to manage and process vast amounts of data, run complex applications, and provide various IT services on a large scale. Servers come in three physical form factors. Tower servers, shown on the top right, require less cooling than rack or blade servers and can fit into an office environment without requiring a separate space. Rack servers, shown on the bottom right, are wide and short and can fit one server per rack section. Blade servers, shown on the left, are small and have limited computing components, so more can fit into a smaller area of the rack. A tower server is a standalone computer built in an upright vertical chassis that resembles a traditional desktop PC. Unlike rack servers, they do not require specialized mounting hardware or dedicated server rooms to operate. They're designed to sit independently on a desk, shelf, or floor. They offer simple maintenance and accessibility by having side panels that typically open like a consumer PC, which provides easy and intuitive access for manual upgrades or repairs. Because their internal components are less densely packed than the rack models, they have better natural airflow and generally do not require high-cost specialized cooling systems. They are significantly quieter than rack servers, which often use high RPM fans, making towers ideal for shared office environments. They are highly adaptable, often offering more internal drive bays and PCI Express expansion slots for adding storage or specialized cards like GPUs for AI workloads as needs grow. A rack server is a self-contained computer designed to be installed as a standalone vertical framework known as a server rack. They're primarily choice for data centers and enterprise environments due to their space efficiency and scalability. Rack servers have a standardized width, which is designed to fit a 19-inch wide rack, which is the industry standard. Rack server's height is measured in rack units, where 1U is equal to 1.75 inches or 44.45 millimeters. Common server sizes are 1U, 2U, and 4U. Rack servers feature a low-profile, flat rectangular chassis that allows them to be stacked vertically. Servers typically are secured to the rack frame using rails or screws. Rack servers are designed for heavy workloads. They often feature multi-core CPUs, high RAM capacities, and multiple storage drives. To ensure high uptime, they often include redundant power supplies and multiple network interface cards. Many models allow hot-swappable components like hard drives or power supplies to be replaced while the server is still running to minimize downtime. They typically support remote management tools for monitoring hardware health and troubleshooting without physical access. Because they're densely packed, they generate significant heat and require powerful internal fans, often making them louder and require more environment-controlled cooling than tower servers. A blade server is a type of server architecture that houses multiple server modules or blades in a single chassis. Blade servers are commonly used in data centers and enterprise environments where space, power efficiency, and centralized management are important considerations. The chassis provides power, cooling, connectivity, and management to the blades. Each blade is a stripped-down server with just a processor, memory, integrated network controllers, and sometimes storage. Key features and benefits of blade servers include density. Blade servers are designed to save space by fitting multiple server blades into a single chassis, aligned for a high server density and a compact form factor. Efficiency. They share common resources like power and cooling, which can improve overall efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Manageability. Blade servers often come with advanced management tools, making it easier to manage and maintain multiple servers from a single interface. Scalability. They allow for easy scaling by simply adding more blades to the chassis as needed. Reduced cabling. The design reduces the amount of cabling needed, which can simplify the data center environment and improve airflow. Server rooms in data centers will typically have racks to hold servers and related IT equipment. Data center rack is a type of framework that is usually made from steel and houses your servers, cables, and other equipment. Your servers can fit neatly into the framework, helping to keep them organized and safely off the floor. A data center rack can also benefit you in other ways, including airflow, wire organization, access, and security. A storage area network, or SAN, when connected to a computer, looks and feels like a local storage device. It uses block-level access, requires a lot of bandwidth, and is best used in an isolated network with high-speed network technologies. A network-attached storage, or NAS, is a single box connected to a network that contains multiple hard drives, allowing access for multiple computers. It offers file-level access, which is accessed with the network file sharing protocols such as NFS, SMB, or AFP. Question: what type of device would you access files and data from? Answer: server. Question: which of the following would you not find in a server room or data center? Answer: public kiosk machines. Question: which type of server is the smallest found in a data center? Answer: blade server. Question: what type of device is designed and optimized to provide services to the client? Answer: server. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, a server provides services and access to network resources. A server is a specialized computer or software system designed to provide services, data, or resources to other computers known as clients over a network. A server room is a dedicated space within a building or facility designed to house computer servers and related equipment. A data center is a facility used to house computer systems and associated components such as telecommunications and storage systems. A data center is larger and more complex than a server room, offering robust infrastructure and support large-scale operations and data storage needs. Servers come in 3 physical form factors: tower server, rack server, and blade servers. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be server form factors and racks. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Thank you.